Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to enable vibrations on silent mode on iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. So here is my 15 Pro Max and first I will put my phone on silent from the action button, just push it long and now it's on silent. And to enable vibrations on this mode, just go to settings and here tap on sounds and haptics. As you can see now my phone is on silent mode and go to haptics or vibrations. Just tap to go inside. And as you can see now is check don't play in silent mode, and from here you can check always play also in normal mode in silent mode or play in silent mode, and vibrations will be enabled just in silent mode. Okay, and now just tap back to exit, and as you can see now haptics are play in silent mode, and that's all. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful and see you to the next. Have a nice day.